Welcome to our channel. Using an expense card at IKEA requires proper activation to ensure smooth transactions. Step 1. Before heading to IKEA, verify that your expense card has been issued by your company and properly loaded with funds. Step 2. Contact your company's finance or human resources department to confirm the card is active and check the available balance. Step 3. If the card requires activation, follow your company's specific activation procedures, which may include calling a phone number or visiting a website. Step 4. Once confirmed active, bring both the expense card and a valid photo ID when shopping at IKEA. Step 5. Shop for your approved business items throughout the IKEA store, keeping track of prices to stay within your expense limit. Step 6. Proceed to the checkout counter when you're ready to pay. Inform the cashier you'll be using a company expense card. Step 7. Swipe or insert your expense card at the payment terminal and enter your PIN if required. Step 8. Keep your receipt and any related documentation for expense reporting purposes. Step 9. Submit your receipt to your company's accounting department according to your organization's expense policy. Your purchase is complete and properly documented. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.